Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everybody is doing absolutely fine and fantastic in your life. And if you ask about me, I'm also doing absolutely fine in my life. And my name is Banu Prasad. I have completed my graduation recently. And apart from that, I run YouTube channel, not only a YouTube channel, but also I take spoken English classes through Zoom applications. Except Sundays, every single day I am taking spoken English classes like group classes and also one-to-one session. If you are someone who is having a strong desire to enhance your communication skills, who wants to get rid of your stage fear and everything, and who wants to develop your public speaking skills, just approach me through email ID. I have given in the description of my channel every social media link of mine and also my email ID. Just go and just check out there, and from there you can reach out me, so I'll assist you all guys. And if you are someone who has started following my channel very first time, please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel, because your one like is really pushing me a lot to shoot more and more videos for the sake of you guys. And in today's video I am just going to tell you only the thing how I became so spontaneous speaker, and how I became a confident speaker, and how I developed this kind of confidence to speak in English everywhere, be it any place. It might be in the stadium, it might be in the auditorium, it might be on stage, it might be on public and everywhere. So what actually helped me to reach, what actually helped me to become so much of confident in my life, right? So I'm just only telling you that one thing in today's video. And if you are someone who is seeking for to develop confidence, just this video is for you guys. Just please don't skip the video, please do watch till end so that you will understand everything, right? So the one thing which really helped me is ChatGPT, I can say. Yes, you might be giving excuses, you might be giving lame excuses on yourself, that you don't have anybody to rectify your mistakes, you don't have anybody to help you if you are coming across mistakes while speaking, while reading, while writing, and while writing something, and while reading something, and while listening to something. But you are actually forgetting the resource already there with you. That is wonderful resource ChatGPT, I can say. How ChatGPT helps and how it is going to make you confident speaker in English language. And apart from ChatGPT, what other application helped me? That is CV application, guys. See, randomly when I was scrolling on Instagram, so I came across the application name called CV application. So instantly, immediately I installed that CV application, and randomly I started making calls to different people. So from various states of our country, so people started connecting to me, and I was stepping out every single day. I was making myself more comfortable to speak English with them. So that's how knowingly unknowingly I started developing to speak confidently with the strangers, right? On the very first day, what I used to do, so I became fumble, I got nervous, I was not aware of what I was speaking to the strangers people. I was only speaking like small sentences like, how are you, where are you from, and what are you doing, so what is your educational background, and what actually you do in your life, and how did you start your English speaking journey. Only these questions I started asking to the strangers every single day. But lately I realized that okay, this is not actual thing. I have to speak to other people, I have to extend my conversation, I have to extend my vocabulary, I have to extend my pronunciation and everything I came to know. So then immediately I started following the wonderful application, that is not application, so ChatGPT. How ChatGPT helped me means, when I was walking alone in the park, on the roadside, in the college, everywhere, wherever I go, I started recollecting what exactly I have done entire day. I started recollecting, so whom did I meet that particular day, and what did I do entire that day. So I started typing what exactly I wanted to speak out on ChatGPT, their search bar. So I again asked that, so if is there any mistakes in my sentence, please rectify and just give me the correct statement. So ChatGPT started giving prompt answers and with pronunciation also. So that is how I started engaging with ChatGPT every single day, guys. And one thing I'm just recommending you here, that if you are someone who don't have partner, who don't have English environment around you, who don't have any resources rather than your mobile phone, so ChatGPT is the best thing, so where you can learn everything, guys. Just ask, just type something, whatever you feel like speaking, whatever your heart says, whatever your heart wants to speak out, just type something on the ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to whether it is correct statement or wrong statement. So ChatGPT is really going to help you somehow, right? And the thing which you need to do after getting clarification from the ChatGPT, you have to apply it in your real life, and you have to start engaging with that whatever the words you have asked for ChatGPT, you have to use it in your real life. You have to use it when the situation comes, when the situation is similar to that particular sentence or that particular word. You have to actually apply it on different people. So that is how you will start see the kind of improvement in your English speaking journey. And one thing, how did I learn some new vocabulary, some advanced vocabulary, and some idiomatic phrases and some phrasal verbs, and also some new sentences? So whatever I have not known earlier. So this is also from ChatGPT, because you guys know that I did not surround myself all the time English speaking people, and I have not joined any institution, and I have not taken coaching from anybody. So even I was person like you, I was not knowing where exactly I was making mistakes. So fortunately I came to know the ChatGPT, right? So even ChatGPT started helping lots of people, and lots of people are learning many skills, technology from ChatGPT, from Google, and everywhere. If people are learning, if people are growing in their life, so why can't you learn and why can't you grow, guys, in your life? So that is only my question to you, right? So if you sit simply, if you are seeking results without doing anything from your side, so nothing is going to work for you, nothing is going to become a favorable for you, right? Even luck favors. When you put hard work, luck definitely favors, guys. Luck supports you, God supports you, universe supports you, some stranger supports you. If you start doing something newly, if you are putting genuine efforts from your side, all universe is going to support you, even if your friends are not there to support you, right? So that is what I realized lately, and I started building myself, and I started learning something new every single day. I cannot miss out my consistency. And also, so that is how I started learning from ChatGPT everything. For example, there is a speech which I am going to give tomorrow. I don't know the format, I don't know the formalities, I don't know how to address, I don't know how to start the speech. So ChatGPT is there, right? So I immediately used to go there, and I immediately used to ask ChatGPT what kind of sentences should I start with. So that is how it started really helping me. And if you are someone who is facing the same problems, if you are someone who is having a lot of desire in your heart to speak in English fluently and effectively, and just ask yourself what exactly the thing which is holding you back and where you are lagging behind, so you will come to know genuinely, right? So just type same thing over ChatGPT. Just ask what you are lagging behind. ChatGPT is there to help you everywhere, right? For example, if you are someone who is lacking vocabulary, just ask ChatGPT. It is going to give you wonderful vocabulary. If you are unable to frame sentences formation, so ask ChatGPT. It is going to let you know how to frame sentences in a easiest manner. And if you are someone who don't know what kind of channels to follow in order to enhance your communication skills, just go and just ask ChatGPT. It is going to help you what are the best channels for improving your communication skills and speaking skills, right? So ChatGPT is there to help you in every aspect of learning English. Then what are you waiting for? And why are you waiting for? Why are you not taking that one particular step? Even though you have a lot of resources in front of you, you are not knowing the free of cost, right? So once if you pay, once if you join somewhere, then you will come to know the importance of education and everything, guys. And also one thing I just want to let you know, so whatever you are doing for improving your communication skills, so what all the things you are following, so what all the resources you are using, just use everything consistently. So consistency is very, very, very important. Beat anything, right? Even though if you have talent, even though if you are knowledgeable person, but if you miss out consistency, you cannot achieve anything in your real life, right? Because I have seen personally in my life, so the day when I started maintaining consistency, totally everything has shaped my personality. So everything has started becoming my favorite, right? So that is why I'm addressing you guys. and so everywhere I come here and I shoot videos only because of you guys. At least I think always that okay, in from this video at least some people are inspiring, some people might know the importance of this English language, and at least they will start their journey regarding this English speaking journey. So that is what I always think, guys. But you are not even at all trying, you are not even at all taking that one step, right? So even though you have resources, right? So whatever I have advised in today's video, just try to use it wisely and just let yourself know the importance of social media, and just try to learn from positive things from social media, and just don't get addicted to social media. That's it. Yeah, so this is what all I wanted to convey in today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed and you guys really find this video really helpful. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for giving lots of unconditional love and support to my channel. It means a lot, and I'll see you in next video with one more beautiful content. Till then, you guys take care. Bye. Love you, all of you wholeheartedly. Thank you so much for watching and supporting.